of our state of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, who is the chief guest of today's program. My friend and my colleague, Honorable MLA from Rambrai, our colleague and a friend, the MDC of Rambrai, and the MDC of Maushinrut, Surali Rashir, our official, the DC of West Khasi Hills District, Shri Garod Dai, our SP, our SDO Civil Subdivision, and all the officials of our district and the official of our civil subdivisions of different departments. Our beloved church leader who are here, Pastor Lang, who is also the secretary of the school, and the other pastor, Reverend Pastor, Father Jonah, who is also among us here, the school leaders, teachers, the managing committee, the community leaders, the headman, the nokma, kirang ba shinong, ki perlop kinong Tremon Sobha, kinong elam shinong, this particular occasion. And I take this opportunity as the local MLA of Maushinrut to welcome also the officials of our district headquarters and also some of the officials from the state level. And more importantly, I express my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister, who has graciously given the consent to be the chief guest of this particular program. So we know, despite your many programs and schedule, but you have listened and you have come to this program, listening to our requests. And so I maybe not wise to mention, but still I will recall that in this MDA2, in the last 2.5 years in the MDA2, twice you have come to our constituency. Only Chief Minister who have made this possible. So this shows how your dedication, your vision, and your intention and the welfare of every person of the society, of our community, and the state as a whole. Thank you so much, sir, for coming here. Your presence here gave all of us hope. It gave all of us courage, and it's a reflection, sir, of your vision to take our state forward. We are so happy, sir, to have you here. And so, with your permission, since we have many of us here, many of us from this area would like also me to speak in my local dialect. So, with your permission, sir, I will continue my speech in my local dialect from here. Napal pa ako chisok man namta kanik program. Kublay sigo ni pibara kilok ni kilok pa ki badan namta hane. Kila simkia ban pen ipu ban pen ipeng kanik program ban pen itenan ban welcome ningi na duk bane na tina po helikopter na tina po madan bahia ke helikopter ban hadu kanik kajaka ban pen dap mam ni kanik kajaka bagi penlong kanik program. Ngai kene ke jingdon ke jongpi kan ai men sim ningi kan ai men sim ke kinong pen ya joka school kan ai men sim ru ya chief minister ipawan sikene ka jaka ka chung. So today when I stand here, it really gives me an immense pleasure of happiness to see this. This marks another achievement of our government, and it marks another achievement of our constituency. It marks another achievement of the area in terms of the infrastructural development. I believe this will go down in the history of our generation about the achievement of our community and in this area. And I'm so happy also to learn that this very building, this very school was also helped by the former leaders, our former leaders like Shri Didi Lapang, and more importantly, the father of our Chief Minister, late Shri Porno A. Sangma. We are so happy and so blessed to have such tall leader and such dedicated leader in our state. May God bless their soul and may the soul be rest in peace. And nam ta chong phi kilong kmi kilong pa, but nam ta chong phi kum kinong hikai jo ka school. This building will not happen just like this. This success will not just happen like this. It will not just happen in a minute, but it happened with the dedication and the vision of the government to support the education department. And it also happened because of the tireless effort of the local leader from this area, under the leadership of Bakhain, and then the church leader and the community leader from here, who have worked tirelessly, the contractor, the managing committee, and the staff, and everyone who had contributed, and to see this beautiful building here. And to the student, nam ta chong ki student chong ka school, kat pi ki pa. Success chong ka school, ka success chong ka education, infrastructural success kadai kawai ka banta, infrastructural development kadai kawai ka banta, handai nalor kata, ka success lani ka bangin jong, ha kaliang education lani ka society to progress, bangin keu sa kamata ka society, kadon kam ya kecing trelang. We need a collaboration. Kikme kikpa kidon kam, bakin kampek bahai kikun, bakin kam seneng bahai kikun, bakin long tista, ha kacing lek kule ke jong ki. Ban nam tak jong kino hikai ro. Kidon kam me kino hikai, ki belong dedicated, ki ba treasure nam tak future jong ki kana. But for the student, kadon kam me pi student ba pinong ki kana ki ba tipsi, ki ba ko ngut seneng. Ko ngut seneng ni email pa, ko ngut seneng ni kino hikai, kadai kata kalenti ke jong ki ba pin poi sya ka clear jong ka thong, kadai kata kalenti ba phila ban yo ya ka success lane ya kata ka ba pin jom ha ka chikin ke jong ki. Di bangin long kita ba job ha ka society dan di ba ka school kan future prang